came from a different world.
Hi, this is Byron Smith. I'm a student of Ryan Vox's at Vox Singing Academy, and this is a quick testimonial just to say that I've been working with Ryan for about 9 months now, and he's been fantastic to work with, and he's helped me gain the confidence to record my own song, and it's now gone on to a few of the social media platforms, and I'm getting lots of good feedback. He helped me out with producing and arranging the song, and did some backing vocals on it for me as well. And I just want to say he's really good to work with. He's helped improve my voice a lot and given me the confidence to get out there and have a go. So I'd highly recommend him to anyone who's interested in learning how to sing and interested in getting your music out there. Thanks. See you later. Bye.
And hide your mother's lies. You need to call for calm. You gotta read your heart, the riot act, and switch off the alarms. You're safe from harm. You're safe from harm.